This is ANN News Brief.
Ebola may soon be a preventable and treatable disease after a trial of 2 drugs showed significant improved survival rates. Scientists say they are a step closer to being able to cure the deadly Ebola hemorrhagic fever after 2 experimental drugs showed survival rate of as much as 90% in a clinical trial in DR Congo. Director of the U.S. National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases, Anthony Fauci, who co-led the trial, held the breakthrough, saying the drugs showed clearly better results. The drugs will now be offered to all patients infected with the viral disease in an ongoing outbreak. The second deadliest Ebola in history, now entering its second year in DRC, has killed at least 1,800 people so far. Efforts to control it have been hampered by militia violence and some local resistance to medical help. Health official in DR Congo, Jean-Jacques Muyembe, told reporters that these advances will help save thousands of lives. Scientists are hopeful that Ebola may soon be a preventable and treatable disease. Still in DR Congo, the World Health Organization says that it has vaccinated over 1,300 people in the city of Goma to help contain what many feared would be a rapid spread in an urban center. Goma, a lakeside city of nearly 2 million people on the Rwandan border, has been on high alert over the past week after a gold miner with a large family contaminated several people before dying. WHO said in a statement that vaccination activities have reached 98% majority of eligible contacts and frontline workers. World Health Organization added that no new confirmed cases had been reported in Goma since the previous report earlier this month. We'll be back after this message.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres has condemned Libya's attack on UN workers. A car bomb explosion in Benghazi, eastern Libya, killed 3 UN staff members and 2 other mission members over the weekend. The explosion happened in front of a shopping mall and bank. 10 persons had been reported wounded, including children. The attack came as the United Nations was brokering a truce in the capital Tripoli, where the eastern-based Libyan National Army Force launched a surprise attack in April. The United Nations gave no further details. Assistant Secretary General for Peace Operations Bintou Keita says the UN does not intend to evacuate from Libya. That's ANN News Brief. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, nnafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I am Lucy Ademi.